Hey there, and welcome to my channel, Paper Bag Investor. Today's video, I want to talk about why Tesla's full self-driving beta subscription model could be a huge catalyst for the stock in the next maybe even 6 months kind of time span, and why you should maybe consider buying Tesla given that this huge catalyst could be coming. So let's get into it. And before I go any further, I just want to make it absolutely clear, do your own due diligence. I'm not a personal financial advisor. I'm just a guy with a paper bag on his head who loves investing, who loves thinking about the future. If you love investing, you love thinking about the future, you get value out of this video, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below. But let's get into today's video. Today's topic, again, I'm talking about why I believe a major catalyst for Tesla and their stock in the next relatively short time period, maybe 6 months-ish, 6 months, 9 months kind of window, could be their full self-driving beta subscriptions that could happen. And we're going to go through the details. I have a little bit of a napkin math spreadsheet I want to run through with you guys and show that, because really, I think what's going to happen is that Tesla's going to roll out their full self-driving. They have full self-driving beta. Elon Musk just tweeted that they're going to rapidly kind of double and then 10x the full self-driving tester pool, and then I assume it's soon. And then I'm assuming at some point in the next number of months they're going to open that up USA wide. I think it's going to be in the USA first. And they're going to open full self-driving beta for anybody who has a Tesla that's capable. They can get it. Of course, a lot of people have already paid for full self-driving up front, but I think around that time they release that, they're also going to release, my guess would be they're going to release a subscription, a monthly subscription for full self-driving. Of course, at this point, it's still going to be in the beta mode, but it's still really useful to someone who's driving around in beta mode, and really interesting to someone who's interested in technology, interested in those things, which happens to be pretty much everyone who owns a Tesla. So I think what could happen is they kind of they open that up. Full self-driving beta is available to anybody who wants it, and you can get it on a monthly subscription. There's going to be a lot of people that buy that on that monthly subscription, and you might see that for 3 months. It's going to come out in the earnings that, oh, wait a minute, X number of people signed up for X number of price, and boom, this is just pure profit that hit the bottom line. And I think that could have a huge effect on the stock and really open people's eyes. So a lot of people have been saying for a long time that Tesla is a software company. They're not a car. I mean, they are a car company, but all their profits are going to come from software. This is going to be massive. Okay, so let's go through the napkin math. I will show you that to you guys. Okay, napkin math is not actually on a napkin, but in a spreadsheet. I'm going to say like roughly maybe 600,000 capable Teslas in the USA today that would be full self-driving capable or full self-driving beta capable. You just got to take the software for them, and then say I think it's roughly about 25% in the US pay for the full self-driving upfront. So if you do the math, there's 75% remaining of the 600,000 that could be subscribers on the subscription model, so 450,000 people there. Of course, some of these people, when beta comes out and it's available, they might just pay the 10 grand or whatever it is to buy the full package, but we're just going to assume they're all subscribers. And we're going to assume a lot of people have been guessing it's going to be about $200 a month subscription, and I'm going to guess that 50% of the people remaining are going to subscribe. Maybe that's too high just for beta, but I don't think it's too unlikely, at least for a period of time. I think a lot of Tesla owners are going to have a lot of disposable income, typically if you can afford a Tesla. And so a lot of those owners, I think I would be, if I owned it, if I was in the US with a Tesla, I would be very curious I would sign up for sure, because who doesn't want to test the latest and greatest, full self-driving beta software and really see what it's about and see what's out there. So I'm estimating 50% of people sign up, and then, you have a monthly income then from full self-driving beta subs. That's just your 450,000 people times by half those people. times by $200 a month, you get $45 million a month coming in from that. And then on a quarterly basis, it'd be $135 million, and annualized basis at that rate, right? If that was just fixed, of course, that'd be continuing to grow because they're continuing to sell more and more Tesla. This number, all these numbers keep increasing. But you have like $540 million, and the market cap right now for Tesla is $574 billion. And their operating income right now, or for 2020, their operating income was just shy of $2 billion. So you're adding more like than 20% suddenly to this operating income, because all this money is just software sales that are going, boom, they're going to directly hit this number, this kind of a value. Of course, this number is also growing exponentially as their car sales are growing. But you're thinking like you're more than 25% of your entire operating income for last year, boom, you're suddenly adding on at least an annualized rate just from the U.S. market, just from kind of this 50% sale. I mean, makes me wonder, the share price, I have some ratios here. Their market cap to operating income right now is 288, so it's dropped significantly from what it was, obviously, when the market cap was like 800 and some billion as it was just, a month ago. And the share price now, of course, has slid down to 600. But I think you have to think like the value of the company. I mean, the share price could rebound. There's a stimulus check that was just announced. The whole, this could cause the market to rebound itself back to that maybe 700, 800 range. But then you kind of on top of that, you're kind of giving Wall Street the confidence that of like your operating income just went up by 25, 30%, or at least your operating income from last year, which is a huge jump. And I think it'd have a huge effect on the stock price. You might see that kind of a jump. And maybe we're back at the 700 mark if things rebound, or 800 mark, and you add 25%, boom, I think the stock could easily be over 1,000. That's why, to me, I mean, of the stocks I bought and I had a little bit of money, I was able to invest just as the market has been crashing. I bought Tesla. I bought Tesla because I think they're just, I love Tesla, and over, it's like it's 90% plus of my portfolio is in Tesla, but I bought even a little bit more Tesla because of this. I think this catalyst, these are huge. The market's going to open up and like awaken Wall Street eyes and more mainstream eyes once they sort of see, holy smokes, like you're adding $540 million to your operating income suddenly on an annualized basis. And that all it's going to take is one quarter to see these kind of results, and then people are going to figure that out. And I think, again, it could just have a huge effect. So that's something I really want to point out to people, and I think a huge catalyst to Tesla, in the coming months. So that concludes this quick video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you got value to this, please subscribe for more content like this to follow, and hit that thumbs up while you're at it. It helps my channel grow, helps the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all and your support for this channel. So I will see you in my next video, and remember, it's in the bag. Cheers.